Hi friends, today I will be doing an experiment known as the dancing beans experiment. For this, you will be needing clear bottle, water, baking soda, vinegar, beans, a spoon and food color which is optional. First, add the water you have to the clear container. Now, take a few tablespoons of baking soda or this much and stir it very well. There. Now take some beans you have and add it to the mixture. And this much is enough. Next, add the vinegar you have to the cup. About 1/4 is enough or this much. Now add it slowly as it can burst. Add food coloring if necessary. This much is enough. Now mix it well. Here you can see that the beans have started dancing or go to the top and then fall. This is because of a chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate mixes with vinegar, acetic acid or ethanoic acid and forms carbon dioxide, water and sodium acetate. NaHCO3, CH3COOH, CO2, H2O and CH3CONA are the respective names of these chemical